we're going to show you guys exactly what we do when we get back from a track day. We're going to be converting from a track alignment to a street alignment and putting on our street wheels. Check it out. We will be removing our 1910.5 Aspira Forged AF10s and installing 19.9.5 Model Y Gemini wheels with the use of 15mm Aspira Spacers. Keep in mind, this Model 3 has aftermarket two-piece rotors. If you have OEM rotors on a performance Model 3 with red calipers, you will need at least 20mm studded spacers to adapt the Model Y Gemini wheels. Once you're done, mark torque on the spacer nuts to make sure nothing has moved in the future. We advise checking torque on the spacers after 50 to 100 miles of driving. Now we will demonstrate how we go back to a street alignment with Mountain Pass upper control arms. As you can see, we had over 3 degrees of negative camber for the track with no shims. Adding shims is as easy as swapping to longer bolts with the use of a 3/8 inch 12-point socket. According to MPP, a full shim stack is 18mm on their latest arm. Now drop in your shims and thread it all back together. Don't forget to torque to 20 pounds per foot. The whole process should only take a couple of minutes per side. On the left is no shims, on the right is full shims. Once complete, you can see the dramatic toe change. No shims to full shims produces about 1.5 degrees of toe in. We start with getting the rear camber dialed in with Mountain Pass rear camber arms, then set the rear toe. Finally, we move up to the front to dial in the front toe and we are done. Special thanks to Aspira for telling us what size spacers we needed to run 19-inch Gemini Model Y wheels, and to Mountain Pass for designing parts that are easy to work with. Hopefully you found that video informative. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.